morning, you guys. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom of two. This is a typical day when my son does not have school. He is right now currently in homeschool. We already started our day off by brushing our teeth, which I did not show. Usually I try to wake up and start my morning off with prayer. I try to wake up before they wake up. I start my morning off with prayer, and then by the time I'm done, which is around 10 a.m., the kids are up and ready to eat breakfast, and they like to eat cereal in the mornings. Sometimes they request waffles and French toast. It just depends on how their day going and how my day is going. And they pretty much hold them up, during lunch and stuff. They don't usually eat a big lunch. When they do decide to eat lunch, they'll go grab like a Lunchable out the fridge. Sometimes they will request a piece out the microwave or like a grilled cheese sandwich or something. Now, this is their preference, not mine. I have some picky eating kids, okay? They're picky eaters. So I'm still working on them with that. So while the kids are eating their breakfast, I take this time to go in my room and I fix my bed. I like to start my morning off after I get the kids together by fixing my bed, because I feel like when my bed is fixed and made pretty, it just makes my day feel so much better, especially when I walk in my room and I just see that everything is clean and tidied up. So I recommend you guys, as soon as you wake up, to start your chores off by fixing your bed. It will make you feel so much better. So after I got through fixing my bed and cleaning up my room, I decided to go ahead and do some laundry. It was starting to pile up, so I like to do laundry first thing in the morning after I kind of, get my kids going with their breakfast and stuff and my room tidied up, so that I won't forget before I go through doing other stuff during the day. Yeah, so I decided to start my laundry, and then while that's washing, I can go ahead and do other chores that I have to do. So after I got my load of laundry going, I decided to put some clothes on. And usually I try to put my clothes on as early as possible, instead of just sitting around in my pajamas all day. That's not what's up. See, I stay home. I'm a stay-at-home type person. And before COVID hit, I was always home. I was already quarantining. So I try not to stay in my pajamas all day, because that can get depressing, and that's just not cool. So I put my clothes on and I do my hair like I'm going somewhere. Even though on this particular day I really did have to go somewhere. Even when I'm not going anywhere, I don't have anything planned, I do put my clothes on and I do my hair. after I get through putting on my clothes and doing my hair, this is the time where I go and find me something to eat. I make my lunch. I don't eat breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person. I mean, I can eat breakfast sometimes, but I just can't just wake up and just eat breakfast. I don't eat 3 meals a day. I eat like 2 meals a day, and I snack. So, around this time, it may be like around 11 a.m., I want to say, and I decided to make me some eggs, like an egg sandwich, something quick. Usually I meal prep and I eat, you know, meals that I prepped the previous day before that's already in the refrigerator, but I didn't have any and I did not feel like making all that today. So I decided to make something quick, which is a little egg sandwich, and this is my lunch. Now, I don't typically do this routine, this exact routine that I'm showing you guys every day. This is pretty much close to it, but it varies. And this is a stay-at-home mom routine when my husband is at work. This is our routine, me and my kids' routine. When my husband is home, things vary. He helps me out a lot with the kids, and he usually, get their breakfast in the morning when he's off, which is great. So yeah, this is my stay-at-home mom routine when my husband's not home, and it typically varies. It don't stay the same. I may start off late or, start early. It just depends. But yeah, so I'm making me an egg sandwich, and this is some bread that I usually use, but it went bad, so I had to use some plain bread. And I put jelly on my bread with my egg sandwich. Yes, y'all, don't judge me. It's good. Try it. So after I get through eating, I usually go in the kids' room and I pick out their clothes for the day. Now my son, he dresses himself, so he already had his clothes on. So I picked my daughter's clothes out, and then I usually get them sometimes to clean their room during the day. I know they be wanting to play and the room's gonna get right back dirty. So sometimes they don't clean their room during the day. I make them clean it at night. But yeah, so I gather my daughter's clothes and then I try to get my son to fix his bed every day. Not every day he do it, but I try my best to get him in the habit of fixing his bed so he can take that with him into adulthood. Okay, so then after all that, I go ahead in my kitchen, and this is a routine that I do every day. My kitchen and my living room has to be clean. When you are a person who, well, I'm not gonna claim anxiety anymore. A person that used to have anxiety, uh, my house got to be clean. I'm sorry, I can't just sit down and watch crumbs on my floor. So this is something that I do every day. I clean my kitchen, I wipe down the countertops, I wipe down the dining room table, and I straighten up my living room. I sweep and vacuum, stuff like that. And then after that, my son had to go to his school to pick up some papers. He is homeschooled, but we had to go to the school to pick up some papers because he have a LEAP testing next week. So he has to prepare for that. So that's where we're heading today. And usually, we'll go like to the grocery store too. But on this particular day, we went to my son's school. Okay, so now that we're back from my son's school, I ended up stopping at a gas station to put gas, and they had wanted some chips and stuff, so I grabbed them chips. And this is their snack time, so this may be around 2 or 3 o'clock, I'm not sure. And that's the time they usually like to eat their snacks, so now they're eating their snack. So while the kids are eating their snack, I decided to get this load of laundry out the way, because if I don't do it now, it's not going to get done. So I decided to do my laundry, get that out the way, knock it off my list so I ain't got to worry about it no more. So now that I'm done with my laundry, the kids ate their snacks. They are in the room playing, watching their tablets and stuff. So this is the time that I choose to read my Bible. And this is the English Standard Version Study Bible. And this is a very, very good Bible, you guys. And I use this Bible to read my word and study. So while the kids are playing, I have a little downtime, a little quiet time while I can read my word. So I wanted to read to you guys what I was reading today, and it is from Matthew 17:20, and it says, "He said to them, because of your little faith, but truly I say to you, if you have faith like a grain of mustard seed, you will say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move, and nothing will be impossible for you." Yeah, guys, so I highly recommend this Bible if you're looking for a good Bible to use to get a better understanding of. At the bottom of each page, it has the scriptures that you read, and it breaks it down to you in meaning and lets you know what that scripture mean and how to better understand it. Yeah, so I'll link this Bible down in the description box below if you're interested. And then after that, I'll go on my computer, and sometimes I'll browse Facebook. I'll look at my email, and I'll use this time to edit, because like I said, the kids are playing, so this is kind of like my little downtime. And sometimes I don't pick up the computer at all. I may watch a little TV, a little Netflix or something. But on this particular day, I had some editing to do, so I was doing that and checking my emails. So we have come to the end of this video, y'all. This is my typical stay-at-home mom routine. I know it varies from mother to mother, but this is the end of the video, you guys. My kids are playing, they're getting some sun, and they're enjoying the outside. My husband is headed home, so it's a wrap for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.